Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's Itsjustnene here, back with another makeup tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to create this look. So if you like this look so far, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe to the channel. If you're new, hey, what's up, what's good, and sit back and relax and enjoy this video. So right now I'm going in with Rumor Base 2 and P. Louise base, and I'm just taking this Real Techniques brush and I'm just tapping that onto her lids. Now I'm going in with a Juvias Place Warriors 2 palette, and I'm just taking that light brown shade and I'm using this fluffy brush to apply that into the crease and just blend that all out. Now I'm going in with Juvias Place palette, and I'm taking this darker brown shade and I'm using a dense brush and I'm going into her crease with it, and I'm just doing a swiping and swirling motion, and I'm just blending everything out, making sure that I don't have any harsh lines. Now I'm taking this clean brush and I'm just blending the shades together. Then I go back in with my concealer brush and now I'm creating her cut crease. I didn't want to go in and do like a clean cut crease or anything like that. I just wanted to create one with the concealer brush. So that's exactly what you see me doing right now. I'm just going by the shape of her eyes, and I'm just creating this cut crease. I didn't really want it to be perfect. It really didn't matter. I was just going for like a nice natural eyeshadow look. So here I am with a smaller Real Technique brush, and I'm just taking this light beige shade. It almost looks white, and I'm just going in and I'm just applying that right on top of that base. Now I'm going in with the same shade that we used first, and I'm just tapping that on this right next to that shade, but eventually I'm going to blend both of those shades together and it won't even look like it was there, but it will have just a hint of a tan to it. So here I am blending out everything, making sure everything looks good. Now I'm going in with Jlaurecosmetics pigment, and this is White Diamonds, and I'm just using this fluffy brush and I'm just tapping that right on top of the eyelids so they can just be sparkly and bomb. Now I'm going in with some lashes that I bought from the hair store. Now I'm going in with the Master Primer by Maybelline, and I'm just using this brush to apply that all over her face. And here I am going in with Maybelline Superstay foundation. I'm not sure what shade this is, but I'll have it listed down below. But I'm just using a smaller brush and then I'm just applying it slowly on her skin, and then I'm going in with Real Techniques Insta Pop face brush and I'm just tapping that into her skin. Now I'm going in with Real Techniques concealer, and this is Tan Sand, and I'm just applying that under the eyes and below her nose and on the other side too. Now I'm using Juvias Place contour sticks. I'm not sure what shade this is. It's probably, yeah, I'm not sure what shade this is, but I'll have it all listed down below. Now here I am using my Real Techniques setting brush, and I am just blending out all the concealers that I applied on her face. Now here I am blending out her contour. Now I'm going in with Laura Mercier, and I'm using this beauty blender to help me apply the setting powder, and I'm just setting her skin wherever I place the concealer. Now I'm going in with MAC C8, and I'm just applying the face powder all over her skin. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance light to medium contour palette, and I'm just using this brush to apply that on where I placed my cream contour. Now I'm going in with Morphe setting mist, and I'm just setting her skin. And I'm using that same face brush to tap in that mist into her skin. Now I'm going in with some blush. And of course, I'm going in with Dose of Colors Royal Hotness to highlight. Now I'm going in with Auto Lip Liner, and I'm just lining up her lips. Now I'm going in with Cairo and Pout Me from Glowup Academy, and Cairo from NYX Matte Cream lipstick. And I'm going in with some gloss, and I'm just applying that on the lips. And I'm using a brush to do so. Now I'm going in with Morphe setting mist, and I'm just setting her skin. And this completes the video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial.